Hello and welcome to another update video about BRED. Yeah, the BRED chart hasn't been covered on YouTube for a while. We only have seen sideways consolidation, however, and our support zone is still being respected. Quick overview here on the BRED chart. We assume that a third wave has topped here around the 10th of June. That was around 19 to 20 cents. And a fourth wave might have completed. Fourth wave might have completed here around the 8th of July. At this swing low, 7th of July, where the price bottomed around 10 cents. But the problem is the rally from there hasn't really been impulsive, so I can't really tell with clarity. It gets more and more difficult due to the fact that the chart has a very limited history. So of course, you know, it's difficult to say, but the move so far to the upside has been impulsive, of course, so far, yeah. So especially this third wave has been clearly impulsive. So what could be, however, is that this fifth wave is going to form as an ending diagonal. And then this would be a wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback, and we would do something like this. The problem is with these ending diagonals, whenever we're entering the phase of a fifth wave, it gets difficult because you rely on corrective structures only, and you really need a breakout for a confirmation. Therefore, I did say in previous updates, because BRED is covered more or less regularly in our gold membership, that it takes a break above 15.4, 15.5 cents for me to assume that a low is really in and that the white count is really unfolding. It just takes that break above the green line here. This would be, for me, yeah, well, the first confirmation that we've bottomed. The problem is the initial rally. It's more like a 3-wave move. Now you could say maybe it's 5 waves, but it's overlapping, so it doesn't make it very easy. I could easily call that a B-wave rally in the yellow count, because in the yellow count, the risk of one more low is high. It would be a WXY, more complex pattern. WX, the Y wave still unfolding, and then the Y wave is an A, B, C structure. We could easily see a test of the 9.5 cent or 7.5 cent level. I haven't got anything bullish left below 7.5 cents. It will then become a mess. This chart, for now, I think it's plausible to watch for the white count. I have it formally listed here as preferred scenario, but I'm not so, you know, I don't really like that terminology, primary count, preferred count, and alternative. At the moment, we are still in corrective patterns, and it takes a break above that 15.5 cent level to indicate that the third wave of the larger fifth wave to the upside is really unfolding. If that third wave to the upside starts from here, we're dealing with a rally probably towards 20 cents at least. That's the 1.38 extension. They can always go a bit higher, but that would be the next key target, 20 cents. And if it starts, it should really start from here. It should really start from here. Why? Because we could also, based on this micro 1-2 setup in white, add a micro support zone, which ends at 10.9 cents. So really, this micro support is holding at the moment, but I need to see a break above 15.5 cents to really suggest that the white count is in control. Until then, the correction is set to continue, so it shouldn't be a surprise if we go down a little bit lower. But then please bear in mind, and that's the benefit of the analysis, that we have two more support levels anyway, so at 9.5 cents and 7.5 cents for BRED. But then even if we go a little lower in the short term, as long as we're holding that 7.5 cent level, a fifth wave to the upside could still unfold. But a lot of meme coins are now weak, so just be on the side of caution here. You could also use maybe a trend line breakout signal. I'm not sure if we get a nice trend line here. Yeah, fair enough. So we have a trend line here that could act as a breakout signal. So pay attention to this trend line there as well. That's the update about BRED. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.